In this video, we'll walk through how OpenBOM's QuickBooks integration works. After logging in, you'll notice only a few map properties by default, the required ones like part number and quantity. If you try to export a purchase order at this stage, you'll see an error indicating that required properties are missing, specifically income account and type. These need to be mapped before export. Let's do that now. Note that you need to map the QuickBooks item type, not the OpenBOM type. Options include inventory, non-inventory, service, and others. OpenBOM also handles fuzzy matching for property values. For example, if you type sales of product instead of the exact value sales of product income, the system will still recognize it. Similarly, typing inventor instead of inventory will trigger the closest match. The correct value is identified and mapped automatically. With properties configured, let's apply the required filter and click Export. The export may take a moment. We've sped this up. Checking the logs, you can see a parameter is missing, the amount field. Let's map the amount to the OpenBOM cost property, save the settings, and run the export again. The export has now succeeded. Opening the logs confirms it. The purchase order was created and synced successfully. There's a direct link here that will open the purchase order inside QuickBooks. As you can see, the purchase order has been created in QuickBooks. OpenBOM automatically created the vendor with the same name as in OpenBOM, and the full purchase order structure, line items and all, matches exactly what was in OpenBOM. That's the QuickBooks integration in action. Thanks for watching.